Hey, that a tape. As the video tours you want rate. My people, welcome. Ever blessed travelers. Welcome to another video. Today, my people, we'll be coming from Portmore Mall. For the direction, I'm going to the mall to check out business. So my people, stay tuned and watch our evaluations. I go take our road. My people, they're developing a park there in Portmore. Yeah, man. So stay tuned for the part of my people. Yeah, man. I'm walking through. I'll be showcasing Portmore today, my people. So this is the Portmore Mall area, and we'll be we're journeying through, my people. And today, my people, another link up, another adventure. We'll be showcasing another special guest. For the second time, Everbless will be introducing this person to my space, my audience. So my people, stay tuned and help me welcome him as soon as he arrives. So my people. Captain Bakery there. Yeah. Mother's there. Mother's drive through. So we just patrolling through the Portmore here, my people, and to show you some of the things that Portmore has to offer. Some are very busy here in Portmore. Part of Portmore, same way. I will showcase them too. I'm walking through, my people. And whatever, just walking through. What will looking for a particular store. So this is on the inside of the mall, Portmore Mall. So we're patrolling too. Some people inside of the Portmore Mall, we have Natural Impression. That's a barber store. I check on the inside for the best quality haircut. This is a place if you check inside of the Portmore Mall. Same sort of thing come down, my people. So as we say, as we walk through the street, my people will give you full support. And I'm going to be asking of you to check out the barber store there. Get nice haircut inside of the Portmore Mall. Huh? As we continue to walk through, my people, I'm searching for my location. Looking for the hay block. And this here, my people, is where you get food. So you can't be in this area and hungry. Food is always here to found, you know. And the Everbless is walking through. Yeah, man. A blast and das. Portmore Mall. So I think come down, my people. Beautiful. That's it. That is it, my people. So what they have there? What they have there? A little stadium looking thing. Oh! Stage show thing. So they have a lot of seat there and they have a platform there. Hello, miss. Just a minute, can you tell me where I could find floor store?
I don't know the mall like that.
Okay.
You just have to walk on.
Okay. Alright, my people, stay tuned. So we continue to walk through, my people. continue to walk through this beautiful place. Oh, we have digital there. I'm searching for the flow. Where is flow? Accessibility. I'm not too sure, sir. Some of my people. Today's guest is born and grew right here in Jamaica. Now living in the US for a number of years. Please help my traveling supporters. Please help me welcome as a video tours.
The sun. Oh, it's so nice and warm.
Welcome,
Look at this.
my brother. Welcome again.
Yeah.
Ever blessed travelers. As the video tours again.
On the run again.
Yes,
we're
my
on
brother.
we're on the move again.
Yes, my brother. We keep moving.
Yeah.
And we circling Portmore Mall.
Portmore Mall.
Yes. So
We don't have a lot of indoors.
you do inside there?
You know what I'm saying? We don't have a lot of big indoor like certain malls, right? This one is not as big as
It is big.
mega one.
This one, I think this one is one of the.
The quietest here in the back.
Where your car is at?
Right, the last section of the back.
Okay. Yes.
Allegations about the former Very United goalkeeper was stabbed by his girlfriend.
I'm going to do the honors in that because I know the area too good.
Okay. Oh, that's your car.
The car.
Some of people will be doing a driving vlog, and my driver for the day is as a video tours.
We're going to go to
Are we going to? I'm gonna be keeping my people in a suspense as to where we're going. Stay tuned. Yeah, continue that way. And then go straight. Yes. Okay, if we can go around it and go that way, that will be the way to go that way. That way. If we can go that way, that way will take us to Portmore Pines. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I just remember some of people. Stay tuned as we take on the road of here today. We're going. So now my people, we are at not Gazette. Port Henderson Road.
Put Henderson Road.
Yeah, man. This here so it's still called Port Henderson. Yeah, but called Port Henderson. Port Henderson is long enough. All we hear about Gazette is still in Port Henderson.
Yeah.
Yeah, long because Port Henderson started in Spanish Town, Did you know that? Just as you out from De La Vega City that you come across?
De La Vega City.
I think I read how the Port Henderson start. Yeah, man. Some people. Mr.
De La Vega City.
Yeah, as the video tours is
On the road.
I'm giving him know the place and people, but I still give him some little heads up as to refresh his memory because he left Jamaica for so much years, and I know you'll be back all the time.
Yeah.
Yes, so we still
basically always be at Portmore anyway.
Yeah, man. So stay tuned, my people.
So over here, so we know.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned, my people. As we continue to take on the road. Same way.
So like know that if the government can't pay them say, alright, since you can't pay, give me a piece of land.
Yeah. And we're now in Hellshire.
Yeah.
So my travelers have an idea where we're going. So it's as the video tours.
So we're going to
How's Jamaica treating you so far, sir?
well, Jamaica is, to me, it come back normal to me.
Yes.
Even though I was never a driver when we live here. I used to just take the bus and ride my bicycle and go about my business.
Yes.
But there's not much change more than the infrastructure change.
Yes.
Better roads and buildings or whatever, you know?
Buildings are more bigger.
Bigger,
Yes.
yeah, and the roads them kind of get better, but the side road them still have a challenge.
Yes. And I think Jamaica do too much patching of roads.
Yeah.
And they patch it with a high.
Yes.
Yeah. So each time you go up on one, you get the bunks up. Yeah.
The patching to that great.
No.
So I got to dig it back again.
Yes. Some people will give you a little piece of the road journey to Hellshire. So we'll be checking with another elder there, and we
Looking to the Daddy Irie.
Daddy Highway, you give it
On the
away.
beach.
You give it away.
Oh, you on?
Yes, you give it away. But anyway, Daddy Highway, we're coming to check up on you.
Which part? I don't stop there, sorry. Let's stop there, so
and do a little thing.
and do a little thing.
Yes. So. Who say alligator in Hellshire?
Lots of alligator in it. Crocodile.
Yeah.
One pass us all the while.
Yeah. One pass where,
You have
right?
a big one all pass up the all the while.
Yeah.
You pop.
Yeah.
Big alligator in high up.
Yeah?
And when you walk up the hill and think I'm seeing my virgin when I come down the road, you named Bobby, a taxi man named Bobby.
Yeah.
You can go down on the stand and ask Bobby if that's that. Big alligator.
Yeah.
Crocodile.
So when you gonna make him be your dinner?
Dinner.
Your dinner?
Enough time I walk past if he be my dinner, but he must say no.
No! Not you
Yeah,
for be his dinner. You
We ain't big, me can't hear me mouth, boy. I'm big.
Jaja yo.
Me I tell you that. A crazy place, man, Hellshire, man. But
Yeah.
nobody
But there's a lot of fun here though.
Yeah, fun here, man.
Yes.
Tyler, the name Tyler, where there? You get it? The name Tyler, where there? One big man.
Tyler, our man?
Yeah.
So where did he go?
He like him, I come from Hellshire Park and I walk across the valley, I come across the
And he go
park.
cross over there? So he
And the alligator, they must join him, we are near him up.
so they find parts of him?
Yeah, man, they find piece of him, half of him, like the foot part gone and the body part of person. And he head back the alligator.
Oh, somebody find him before he come back for the rest. Because I know
Yes,
they
yes.
flash you
Yeah,
and rip you
flash
apart
and rip you apart,
and then
rip off the bottom part of him, rip off the hand them.
yo,
Oh my god, the man get a half of that big man, you know.
wow,
Oh my god, I want him bury.
wow.
Yeah man, I want them bury man. But Hellshire nice differently, you know.
Yeah man, I understand that.
Nice.
We're getting some cool wind here.
Yeah,
So people
cool and
I
nice.
am talking
Cool
with.
and nice.
So, and today I'm with
Yes, I'm Shane. Yeah, they call me Sickhead.
Sickhead.
Yeah. How would you get shot in and come on YouTube video too, you know? Lick down the gas station and thing, not by spite, it's like me knock out and thing and my foot go slip off my brake and go on the gas and lick down the gas station.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're supposed to see it on YouTube, man. Because people don't take it put up on YouTube, man.
One bike?
Yeah, oh, afraid of that. Oh man, we'll see again with
Big
that.
up say Ever Blessed Travelers is my name.
Alright, Travelers.
Ever Blessed Travelers.
Ever Blessed Travelers.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
man.
check out that.
Man has a respect.
And you see what go on.
Alright.
So I'll be going by the I'll be going to so I'm gonna show you a little piece of the hotel there. What's the name again? Fisherman. I think it's Fisherman. I think the hotel is called Fisherman. I'm gonna be taking a little closer walk, my people, and to show you what Fisherman, to see what the hotel is looking like. So you can hear, my people, that the gentleman there said that crocodile eat someone across the bush there. He was walking through and he becomes the crocodile dinner. Wow. I was asking him, he was telling me, my people, about the crocodile. So I asked him, when is he gonna, why didn't he make the crocodile in his dinner? He said the crocodile is too big. That mean he's the brother they eat crocodile. So him eat crocodile. Why ever blessed can eat it? Wow, this hotel is bushy. So my people, it's sitting in the bush. I'm not going no further. I thought there was a open here where I could take a look. So this is a roundabout. So that one carry you to Hellshire Heights, that hill there. That one carry you back to another scheme there. I will go in that way to the beach. Yeah man, people, so stay tuned. I'll try my best I can show you today. I'll be going to see my friends there at the Hellshire Beach. And we're also gonna check with King Hyro and see how much of an assistant we can be to him. Stay tuned, my people. Watch our go. So my people, I'm back at Hellshire again. And you know that we have to showcase what we are seeing. Yeah, so the beauty of this place continues. Friendlies, I've taken to Friendlies already. Yeah man, so I think come now. So we just continue our walk through. And that's the entrance. I showed you that before. And we're walking through. Yeah, that's I think I'm doing people. Taking you back to my favorite spot. Hope One Stop. Been to this place already. Showcase that one already.
Ever blessed, you know? Whatever blessed. Honors and respect.
Very great, you know.
Right.
Better than love of them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and the Ivy there, you know.
Daddy Ivy.
Yeah, me in a good partial, you know.
Yeah.
All these attempts to come at the studio and all those things, but never really go on to I get upstruck by certain bad vibes, you know.
Right.
Down this area here.
Yeah.
So I just hold it and thing and I try to build back.
So how long you have to do this business?
Just the other day.
How many years?
About 10 years now.
Well, him said that's
Just the other day mean like last month.
10 years.
10 years is a milestone, my brother.
There's some different work when I was younger, you know.
Okay.
A lot of fruits all they deal with.
Fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
So what make you change the profession?
All the government does bring off a whole heap of bad vibes, but I was in half a tree once now.
You there half a tree? Okay.
Yeah, but the government does bring on some people they call the UDC.
Okay.
And start to obstruct the place and I just leave out. Yeah, but it seems like they didn't want to hurt me. But it must see that they don't be too talented, you know?
Yeah.
They say, I want to one place. According to the amount of goods what they have.
Right.
Some people he has really nice craft work here.
Yeah.
So
out there in Hellshire when this cut by this gentleman, man. What's your name, Bob?
My name is Joseph, you know?
Joseph. Just cut by Joseph, man. The
no, it's not Joseph.
Fire Lion.
Okay.
Little Crab.
Me say listen to you have too much name. but for you give me the first name, I know they didn't correspond with the name that I heard before.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Hillstone craft my people.
I am out here every day.
Every day.
Every day. Where you live? Far from your son?
I live in legally, you know.
Legally.
Oh, that's a long travel.
Drive? Human people?
No.
And
trying to really ride from a longer time, but all I try, I can't really ride, I can't do.
And as the visitors, this man is here for a long time because I used to carry my kids come to the beach before the ocean take over like that.
Oh, yeah.
And he used to be around that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's been here for a long while. Some people I'm gonna show you again. This is how some people have a whole pack much. So I'm do a lot of things with my people. So I'm gonna be asking a lot of people to come to the Hellshire area. Hillstone craft. Some people see, and I'm sure it's a natural thing to be with. I am of Hail Selassie on one side, Abamal the right? Abamal the means that?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Baba, Hail Selassie, alright.
So a close-up look as to how a boat engine look, my people. This is the propeller that spins and gives the different direction when you're out in the ocean. That's how you think about. So we're walking the seashore of Hellshire. So my people, as we continue to walk through, then I end the dark. Yeah, man. I will continue to walk around my people with Hazy Video Tours. It's in Hellshire. Just have some food and we'll be walking this place here. Some people, if you notice, they have to get all these rocks to stop the water from coming over. this one. I'm interested. Let me check out this. Nice here. So that's use a lot of rocks to control this here. Get through my people. Some of people, brand new. And them say them place here coming soon. Some of people. You see them unique name there? Them names Screeches. Hey, seafood. Some of people, them a go have the brother here. I deal with this, them a go have the brother here. I deal with some reality culture. Yeah, man. I see them say come down and look on the wall, my people. And them say them coming soon. So stay tuned and watch how the place I go have to deal with my people. The place I go be epic. You see, them have nice long tables. And them a go have an next part on the upstairs. Some of people stay tuned. Coming soon. Not too long from now, my people. Stay tuned. Yeah, so you said this place that is coming soon. He start casting before he even open?
Not before, man. I just repair and refurbish it in a different pattern, you know?
Yeah.
You know, it's a different style of how to do it and
yeah.
What's the ram old?
So turn your back the way to the Majid, make go on, make everybody see what I go on in the background. Yeah man, you stay. No, you stay with it. No, we just want the background there. No, you turn this way, my brother. Right. We just want to show you the beauty of the place in the meantime. Yeah man. Some people, this place is coming soon. The place name?
Screechy International.
Screechy International.
Restaurant.
Yeah man, seafood.
They go man, it's all up on YouTube, Instagram and all them things.
Yeah man. Yeah.
Jay-Z and them money they don't see them. Yeah man.
So no gone lead, gone straight and lead.
Watch for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, so you all know so back in the days all the great Maradona come here so from Argentina.
Maradona?
Seriously?
Max Lewis.
Yeah?
Queen Latifah, Rick
Oh, that's why you push Bob Marley and him son them.
And yes, all of them eat a week, them eat no fish no else.
Where you say?
Yeah. Sometimes, you know, just...
So I guess I ever blessed to come and have him food.
It's a big family place, this man.
Yeah. So as it?
It's big.
You're impressed with the place then?
Very impressed.
Yeah.
I like it.
And when they finish open them, I got free internet and all them things over there?
Yeah, Wi-Fi already, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because how we look on the pole and say pole in here. It is like it's just nice, you know.
Yeah, cause it's them poster.
Yeah.
And poster one of the land this, one of the land this, one of the land this, so you got to come over here, so just like that.
Chaja
And I
yo.
walk into the street cross over there, so.
Yo.
Go right there, it's like here.
Yeah.
And I do just straight cross. I'm not going over there.
How where you
What
say?
about the wind now? If the wind coming
No, and
this
that's how we prepare.
Yeah. Because if you notice it.
Yeah.
I must say, I repair panel upstairs, I go on the back.
Yeah.
Private upstairs, I go on
Yeah.
I go up in there, top, I zoom up on the top, and I have a next top one up there, so it's
Yo, you're serious, don't?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Different settings like upstairs, I have like jacuzzis, like.
Oh,
Yo.
yeah, ever blessed.
We-
Man, talk about jacuzzi, man.
Yeah, we got to come here.
How much of them things there, you know, so I can relax up there. So.
Oh, you mean?
Because you come in there, you want to hide there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to carry a thing on the side, you want.
Cha, you want to see?
That's one of the original VIP here, you know, that's how I do the master one.
Okay. Oh, but I didn't notice that you have a upstairs on that one.
I want connection over here, so you're to see him.
Okay, I read that.
want management.
I just realized. Yeah, man, good job, my brother. So some of people we showcasing and promoting this place. This is nice, you know, really nice. And they're already nice before them even open, you know. Yeah, beautiful place. And the ocean is, hey. Yeah. Appreciate you, my brother. Ever blessed travels, eh? Yeah, man. Some people. We continue. Oh, this is another swimming. There's another swimming here over this side. Yeah. So them people here need to get jealous. Yeah. Oh, so this building is gonna occupy this side and that side. Okay. Oh, because I see going all. No, I see the building go all the way back.
Yeah, on upstairs part.
Yeah. So look like it occupy the other street.
No, the property line.
I'm not talking about this street. I'm talking about how far go. I think there's another street out there. All right. Nice, brother. Wow.
So we do have a little private here.
Yeah, man. These people need to get jealous. These people need to get jealous. So there's another private beach around here, sir. Yeah. I didn't know about this one. So you see. I see video stores. You're opening my eyes to Devon House. I know you're opening my eyes to this side of the beach. Thank you, sir. YouTube is doing it right for us. Eh? Nice. Yeah, it is really nice. I didn't know about this side. Yeah, yes. Wow. This side? Yes. Yes, really clean. And it's new to us too. Some of people were at
Black and Denny's
restaurant.
Yeah, man.
And we have been ginger beer.
Yeah. Sharp. I'm coming to the bar.
And you're happy, brother. Sorry, beer.
Sorry.
Yeah, man. Cheers. Cool on my system, I think I've been walking for a while. And I had some festival around there and it's time to watch the festival. The ginger beer. Cheers.
Who can I give it up? Alright, I hear that. You go back. Yes.
Who come up?
You used to go. It's about DNG, right?
Yeah.
What do you call it now? The DNG call it again. They used to
tell you that
they used to that every Friday night. They did that something. Yeah, because music alone. I'm gonna go over there. But you see the beer and sour in it, they sell it at factory price. And I can see that. I can see a man order about a dozen Guinness rather than because it's cheaper. And drink it all night.
Hey! I'm not gonna put so much liquor in my system. I will drink my ginger beer.
Ginger beer. But if you drink, if you driving and need that for it.
That's nice too. Hello people, today we are with
Belize
on Belize channel.
from Kingston.
Yeah. No, you're not.
I grew up in the hills of Stony Hill.
Wow. So you say you're a hearty.
I'm gonna rough.
Yeah. Alright, give one rough through.
Alright. So I'm talking around up on YouTube. Check it out. Bird is Belize. Check it out on YouTube. Belize, I'm gonna mess up for jump on the face. We make the vibes increase. Sound turn on, do not call the police. Keep the fire burning, burning. As the work keep turning. Purify your soldier, Rastafari, keep you learning. Earning prosperity, we earning. Vermin, good energy, we firming. Salute to real Rasta. Forward put a fire upon a imposter. Give thanks and praise to Jah. Rastafari is Jehovah. Believe. I'm gonna mess up for jump for the beast. We make the vibes increase. Don't turn on, do not call the police. Keep the fire burning, burning. As the work keep turning. Purify your soldier, Rastafari, keep you learning. Earning prosperity, we earning. Firming, good energy, we firming. Firming, yeah, me very determined. And me alone, I chat the most, I help me carry my birdie. I just the most time discerning. About him people him concerning. The nonsense with them learning and I claim so them earning. The lion the she returning. The fire keep burning, burning. Righteousness will confirming. Believe I'm gonna mess up for jump for the base. We'll make the vibes increase. Sound turn on, do not call the police. Hear that?
Pick up yourself, Artie. She did well, did she? Yeah, man. Appreciate you, my sister.
Bless you.
Keep pushing, keep supporting others. You see it?
Yeah, man, now stop trying. I believe in myself, so I believe say me are the next Jamaica biggest female artist.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
Keep pushing.
Me I come right on top.
Yeah.
Me I fight for my people them, especially for the mothers and the youths them. And my dream and my goal that I want to do for my people them is build schemes and single people, for homeless people. Some people them can live and feel peace of mind and love. You understand?
Give me people if your name again, my sister.
My name is Belize. My artist name is Belize. You
Oh.
can find me on YouTube, but the name on the YouTube is Felicia.
Oh, you mean, my sister.
Felicia is my original name.
Big up yourself.
Birth name, you know?
Yeah, man.
Blessing. A mother of 4.
Yeah.
A mother of 4.
Yeah.
Struggling.
Yeah.
Go through it.
Yes.
Go through the fire. Never get burned.
Oh, young man. So, my people, if you are a promoter, Belize here, give her your full, give her some show us love to the people. Big up yourself. Yo.
When storm come, you win him, you know, in a truck.
Yeah, everyone have to run up.
Evacuate.
Yes, have to evacuate. Sweet Hellshire Beach. Bring us to Hellshire.
Hellshire.
Hellshire Beach.
Oh, you know, your boy, you hear about Hellshire.
Yeah.
But it's actually Hellshire.
Yeah. Some people will continue to patrol the beautiful here. Yeah, as the video tour. Yeah, man. As the video tour, he's having a lot of fun, my people. He might recommend he might split, he might show me some noise on here. He was scared of it. And around people around the corner there, son I tell me say, soon be over. You see? Yeah. So my brother, how on the whole, so my brother, how you find the Hellshire thing? What was it then for you?
Don't tell you truth. I don't think I can even drive home. Because I'm so filled.
Yes.
The food was delicious like that. A nice snap of fish.
Yeah.
Steam for me.
Yeah.
And about 5 festivals.
Whoa!
And a popular nice cold drink of water. So you can't beat that.
No.
Come to that.
Yeah.
And then we started right here against the shore. But really,
Yes, hitting us. Yeah.
it's the tour, you like,
Yeah, right.
and relax.
Yeah.
For the entire night.
Then
Then fortunately, I can't get up for home.
that's the next.
Remember, if you like all these videos, please just like the video first. Make a comment. Comment is very important. Make a comment and then at the end, subscribe. Subscribe, you don't pay a dime. Go there, first of all, and turn the notification bells on. If you want to see content like this, please guys, do it.
I never best is saying, appreciate. Yeah, man. Appreciate you, my brother, for your continuous support of our best shots. And I will surely, in return, give you my full support, my brother. There's so much for people. Yeah. We are walking like we are real Jamaica walk.
Yes, brother.
Big up yourself, Jamaica walk. You think we are playing? We're not playing. We're taking on the street.
We are walk all evening.
How you mean?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Me have crocs.
How you mean?
And this one of the better crocs in it. You have the cushion.
How you mean?
Moving.
Big up yourself, Crocky, outdoor living.
Camera from TV. Remember me, I come check you.
How you mean?
If you watch this video, me, I come check you. I want to go to Goat Island.
How you
Go
mean?
eat some catch and cook and eat.
Oh, yo, man. So, my people, today we are here with.
Shelly-Ann, aka Black Diamond.
You sound like you're a YouTuber? Or a
Not really,
TikToker?
but I make content from time to time.
And your pose?
So,
What's your channel name?
Black Diamond and TikTok. And I have a YouTube page.
Shout it out to
Cooking
me.
with Shelly-Ann.
Cooking with Shelly-Ann. Great.
So I'm gonna start creating the content as it.
My sister, I'm encouraging you to go. Go for it. So what you have selling?
Well,
You have company around. You see, she's nice around some people. Yeah.
I do ear and them look for something that.
Oh, so she come for you to go here?
I mean, I'm gonna go here, but I'm not.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So you're selling, you're doing the kind of entrepreneur things.
Yeah,
So when somebody want to wash up them body, then clothes, I'm eating a rag.
Clothes, rag, I said rag.
Oh, and you get a really cool water, my people. So my people, I'm gonna go from the outside, but you can easily find her. we are here, and she is a young entrepreneur, my people. So I'm going to be asking if you to give her your full support. Before I go any further, I am a YouTuber. I go by the name Everblessed Travels. So I walk around and I showcase beautiful things, people, and places. So I'm going to encourage you
You're
to.
doing a good job, by the way.
Yes.
There are a lot of young entrepreneurs
Yes.
out there who
Yes.
really need the highlight,
Yes.
like ourselves.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're highlighting.
Shelly-Ann, aka Black Diamond.
Oh, you mean some people, we have all reason for you to check out our place. And that a tape? That a tape? That a tape? I ever bless you one rate. I say some people, entrepreneurs are in the place. And you're what, a content creator or you're a TikToker?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm also a TikToker. Yeah, I have a couple content on TikTok also. But
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I believe in supporting.
Yeah.
So I support you, you support me. But in the meantime, I just like to walk around my camera, and anyone who want to talk to me, I'm ready. So my people, I don't know, that's something. I like your smile and I like your style.
Thank you.
So, but you always sad part of it. We buy drinks and anything that run is already. So my people. But I'll definitely come back and support you. Me see you have the stripe on your side, so. Yes. And you blast the music there, channel star.
You like the nice music.
Oh, you mean?
Yes, the music.
Oh, you mean?
Yep.
I saw it in come down.
Yeah.
All right. So I saw it in come down, people. Give her your full support, and she will in return appreciate. Everblessed Travels family. This video, my people, will come to an end. Everblessed Travels is saying so long, and I will see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and leave sweet comment for Everblessed Travels. Peace out.